Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads don't stall. Make sure you know the Google account email, password, and the two-factor method, because factory reset protection ties to that credential. Once done, back up photos and contacts to Google Drive and export any app data to a PC if possible. This prevents permanent loss. Now move to recovery tools and the next actionable steps so you can safely reverse the reset. You next access the recovery menu to regain control, hold power plus the appropriate volume key combo for your model, and enter recovery mode. From there, wipe the cache partition if the device had a soft issue. That's faster and preserves data. If a hard reset already occurred, choose Factory Reset and then reboot. Make sure you connect to Wi-Fi on the setup screen and sign into your Google account, so Android can detect eligible backups and automatically restore apps and settings. You finish by confirming everything restored. Open apps, check accounts, and inspect your photos and settings to ensure completeness. If factory reset protection blocks you, use Google Account Recovery first. If that fails, check OEM recovery options or proof of purchase for unlocking. Once satisfied, update system and apps to prevent repeat failures. If the device still misbehaves, consider contacting the manufacturer or authorized repair. They can diagnose hardware faults that a reset won't fix. That single troubleshooting tip often saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.